The state in this matter, my lord. So, into your lordship's last order, my lord,
Just a minute.
Yeah.
You are for the.
I am for the state, my lord.
Yes, who
Pursuant
is
to
for the petitioner?
Your Lordships, I went before the went to the office of the district inspector of schools. Your Lordships, pursuant to your Lordships' direction, I had the required signature. I had put my signatures accordingly. Well, after that, well, this was on 22nd July, and immediately your Lordships' direction was to forward the pension papers.
Yes.
I received this letter from the headmaster of the school.
I'll tell, my lord, we had given them a
Your
notice
Lordship,
of
kindly
patient
go through it,
hearing, your
go
lordship.
through it.
Yes.
My lord,
Where is the report of the DI?
Could your Lordships, well,
Where is
go
this
to my
soft
reply
copy?
to this letter? Because
My lord, we had given a hearing, your lordship, and there were some discrepancies regarding the leave. So we had sought for clarification and for resubmission on the part of the school with respect to the leave and also to the petition. My lord, this is the
well, that your Lordship
order
will
of
get
the
it as
order of the DI,
last
your lordship.
annexed to this part. But my
This is the order of the DI.
Please take it back. Yes.
Now your Lordships will get it the DI's letter also. My lord, I must tell your Lordship, this is my reply to the headmaster's letter.
Yes.
Now your Lordships kindly come to page 14 of my writ petition. My lord, from page 14 to 23 are my service book prepared by the erstwhile headmaster. Page 14.
Erstwhile headmaster prepared this.
This prepared and signed by up to page 23, almost till my date of attaining
Sanctioning the leave.
sanctioning the leave. Except, my lord, 1 or 2 dates I find missing. My lord, that cannot stand in the way. Everything.
So why this has been again
My lord, the
raised?
leave was the only clarification which we had sought for from the headmaster of
Why?
the school, your lordship.
Court has directed the DI to sort out everything, resolve issue, and forward the pension papers. Why it was sent to the why the ball was sent to the court of the school again by the DI?
That I'm not aware, but your lordship will direct. I'll ask the DI to immediately release the pension, your lordship.
Why DI has done this? I have passed a specific order.
My lord, that's what the report says, my lord. The report, I don't have any hard copy of
Then
the
I have to
report.
direct the DI to remain present before this court.
I will kindly not do that, my lord. We'll kindly pass a
Why you are
direction.
relying upon this? I have already passed order.
We'll release the pension, your lordship. We'll release the
I have already passed order.
Yes, my lord.
Is there any confusion with regard to the direction given by this court on the last occasion?
No, my lord.
Read it. Please read the relevant part of the order. Page 2, last paragraph. Sentence starts on 22nd July 2024 at 12 noon. Petitioner shall attend the office of the. Please read it.
On 22nd July 2024 at 12 noon, the petitioner shall attend the office of the District Inspector of Schools, SE, West Midnapur, being the respondent number 4, when the headmaster shall also remain present personally in order to facilitate processing of the pension case of the petitioner by the respondent number 4. The petitioner shall put signature at the required places and cooperate with the authorities for finalization of the pension case.
Then read it.
I will kindly give me one.
Please read it. Mr. Shandal, give the copy of the order to him. His tab is not cooperating.
On receipt of the pension paper, the respondent number 3 shall issue pension payment order. After the pension papers are made ready on obtaining signature at certain places, respondent number 4 is directed to forward the pension case of the petitioner.
Please respondent number 4.
District Inspector of Schools, West Midnapur.
Again read it. After the pension papers are made ready.
After the pension papers are made ready on obtaining signature at certain places, respondent number 4 is directed to forward the pension case of the petitioner to the Directorate of Pension, Provident Fund and Group Insurance, being respondent number 3, by 10 days thereafter. On receipt of the pension papers, the respondent number 3 shall issue pension payment order in favor of the petitioner by fortnight. The above exercise shall be completed as expeditiously as possible but not later than 8 weeks from the date of release of the retiral dues, including the pension. List the matter under the same heading on 10 September to see the steps taken by the authorities in terms of this order. Mr. Shah,
Is not required. That is different part. So why DI has not forwarded it?
Malad,
Why DI has sent it back to the school
Malad, there was some
so that the
clarification.
petitioner can suffer?
No, Malad, there was some clarification.
DI has to complete the process.
Malad, I'll persuade the DI. Malad, there was some clarification.
Main pension papers will be sent to the director of pension provident.
Malad, I'll carry out within 1 week. Your
Yes,
lordship
sir.
directs.
At the time of call, your name?
Malad, Mr. Balakrishnan.
Mr. Balarko Sen, learned advocate representing the state respondents, including the district inspector of schools, AC. Yes, why you are instructing him?
Malad,
Who are you? You are the headmaster, I remember, and the mischief maker. Why you are not represented by a learned advocate? What nexus you have with the learned advocate of the state respondents?
no nexus, your lordship.
I will stop the salary of DI and the headmaster
Malad,
if I find that there is a violation of my direction.
Malad, I'll be carried out within.
And I will direct the board to initiate disciplinary proceedings against the headmaster. হ্যাঁ কি বলছিলাম বলো তো? Hello, teacher has retired. Headmaster is behind him first so that the pension is not released. And the person retired on 31st October 2022. Headmaster, who has joined up much thereafter, much after the relevant point of time. You are not fit for the post. Immediately, this court should direct the learned advocate representing the board to initiate proceedings against you by placing you under suspension. That I can do, but I am not doing. I am restraining myself. Don't be too clever. কি বলছিলাম? Has submitted that in terms of the order dated 9 July 2024 on completing all formalities, pension papers shall be sent to the Director of Pension Provident Fund and Group Insurance, being respondent number 3 by 7 days from date. Stop. While completing the formalities, the present headmaster of Pukurda ICMM High School, District Paschim Medinipur, being respondent number 7, is directed to cooperate with the concerned district inspector of schools within bracket AC. Stop. On receipt of pension papers from the office of the district inspector of schools within bracket AC West Midnapur, being respondent number West Midnapur, the Director of Pension Provident Fund and Group Insurance shall take steps in terms of the directions as contained in the order dated 9 July 2024 passed by this court, and accordingly the time stands extended. Next paragraph. List the matter under the same heading on